to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia came out and she was talking about, 13. And she was saying that, it's time for 13 to go and get a new lyrics. She could go ahead and ask Vibes Cartel to help her. Go ahead and go catch the video and hear what Marcia has to say. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
And over 13, get one new single for me there. See if you can find Vice Cartel and see if Vice Cartel write your new song. Because you repeat the same thing over and over. I don't have no time for poor people. I don't have no time for poor people, stressed out poor people. Una not coming out here, come put no burden for me. Una have to find no blessing somewhere else. Una are not coming out here to put una poorness for me. Una have to find una blessing somewhere else. I know someone have to come out here and act and talk about all kind of things to get contents and all kind of something because we don't work. And if we not work, we don't get no good money. So me I tell you, say you need to go link up Vice Cartel. Vice Cartel full of lyrics. I'm the lyrical man. You come out here repeat the same thing about winter, summer, and ras fall. You come out here talk the same thing over and over. Me who need in this and who need in that. Me know say me no want need in nothing and me no want to buy nothing. And if me want fuck 10 man of my pussy, all me know say you can't put your tongue under there. So if me are there with 2 different man, if Winter tell us me have 2, 3 man, yeah, go up and tell Winter says my pussy and I fuck who I want to fuck. Don't talk about your mama. Me know say all the pitney where you have, where you push out of your big dirty front. They don't belong to the same man. Most of you know where you chat me. You know fuck around like a dog. All of you know mama and blood clot daddy walk around fuck down the whole Jamaica and America. So if you want to see here, say me have 2 man and me have man is my crutch. As long as I no blood clot tongue I go under that rascal. Any tongue I go under there must be a man tongue, not a pussy clot woman. So if me have 10, if you hear say me there with 2, 3 man is my pussy is not yours. Go worry about your one, don't worry about mine. And if my pussy think and there, all I have to do is to come and lick it out. That's all, because I realize so I walk around and I love thinking crutch. So maybe me I left it thing so no can come suck it out. Because that's all no can talk about. So I don't have no time for a scratch record every day. Winter pay for this and winter pay for that. So what if winter pay for it? Let me say it now. So what if you pay for it? So what? You're jealous because you don't get it? Get over it. You've been repeating the same blood clotting every day. Every time you come across. Find something new to talk about. You are talk about my son. At least my son not dead. Him still alive. Maybe I'll go and kill your son. How your son dead? You talk about my son this and son that. My son can't change. Anything him go out there with him friends, them or whatever, he can't change. Your son, your blood clot son can't come back from a grave. So leave my son alone. And how much I want to do wrongs in our own life? What him do? Drive a little driving and what happen? Man and girlfriend and fight and things happen and police, whatever. What my son do? Yeah. My son have a record of thief in credit card and thief. Move your blood clot from here. For your pussy clot son there and the dirt and my one still alive. So changes can be made. Bullet can't change. How kill your son? Or your son dead at Jamaica? Did your son die of natural cause? When you come and talk about my son? Did your son die of blood clot natural cause? Or how your son dead? You can't away you grudge me? For me nice, good up one boy. We handsome and for your blood clot son ugly and look like a blood clot girl. I look like one hyena mongrel dog. Who you talking to? You can't talk about my son. You could have been the thief in the Guinness World Record of my son. I'm proud of him and I'm going to love him. And none of the blood clot can't say nothing about him. Me no care when you want come say, and me and you in a war. You don't have nothing against me. The thing about me, everybody know me on social media. Me used to life. Me dey on social media going at 15, 16 years now. Facebook tell me, say me be about 15. And from me come on social media, everybody know me at Queens, and I grew up at Queens, New York. You can't ask Jimmy Starkey. Jimmy Starkey a big promoter in Queens. You can't ask anybody on Jamaica Avenue. Marcia never out of place yet. Me a hot blood clot girl. Me ever have it. You know what they used to call back in the days? The millionaire girl. Me have on the most expensive wig, the most expensive brand name shoes, and me a go pan Jamaica Avenue, me a give girl lunch. Me go a hairdresser, Marcia buy this for me, buy that for me. Me a give people things. A millionaire girl, them call me. Me a shop at Jamaica for almost 25 years to 30 years. Me a shop at Jamaica Avenue. Them never see me out of place yet. I pay expensive weave. When people do microwave, me I pay $1,000 to do my hair before it get common. Me have a long weave. Them go look for my pictures. Them at Jamaica. Me say go to Jamaica and go club at Jamaica. Pay expensive weave in my head. How we are talk to? You just because you see me a real look synthetic here. Me never listen to me. Lady go on about the business. We think I want bossy blood clot girl this, you know. Me used to good things, you know. Me used to life, you know. Me travel all over, you know. Me go in some of the richest house in America, you know. From New Jersey to Long Island to Manhattan, you know. Me used to work for the lady, for the World Trade Center, you know. Him father won World Trade. Me used to work for that lady there, you know. And when me did with my baby father, she was asking me to move to California. I used to babysit for her, you know. Me used to go in the same building with Eddie Murphy and the lady who were Essen Magazine living in the same building. Me don't know who you think you talk to. Who not commoners, who don't know nothing about life. You can't concuss me. Your record scratch, no blood clot. Every day you get up and talk about the same thing. Every day you get up and talk about the same thing over and over. Because you don't have the passport for travel. Where the blood clot you grudge me for? If you and Winter was such a good friend, Winter no carry with her. Eh? It's not your pussy. If Winter tell us that me have 2 or 3 man is my pussy, Winter no go fuck who she want fuck. And everybody, all I want to Jamaica, all I want to take all kind of ass, man. You're no blood clot virgin. You're a virgin? You must fuck down the whole of Curacao. How you want to get a life. You can't talk about nobody having no credit and no living because you don't live nowhere. I catch a Curacao. You don't live nowhere. The people who know your Curacao know say I catch you a catch. Your house is the gambling house. And there you sit down, you know. Me a picture you, you know, where you sit down around table, you know. Me a picture you, you know, when somebody come talk to you, you know, on phone, you know. And you talk to the person because they come right behind you. The way you run them from the gambling machine. You can't chat to me. You well want this a blood clot money right now. If you go buy this, I watch ya. Look for me bling bling. $450 for this Ross. Look at. Look at this. Look at this. You want this a money right now. With your thinking pussy self. You want look at this blood clot perfume right now for go spray. 100 and how much dollar. You want this right now for go spray up on your thinking count. You can't talk about nobody's thinking dirty. Me not stoop to you. Me say me not come be stoop to you, you know. You want some of this blood clot right now, you know. This are no blood clot fake, you know, it's a real. This are the latest Michael course right, you know. This are the latest. Right, so. This are the new one that just come out. It come in a silver, unisex, and this are the gold. This alone can the money for this. How you want for the money to pay your bills. Don't even talk about this blood clot watch. Don't even talk about this watch. A $450 for this. And I'm gonna put them for higher purchase. I'm gonna put them for higher purchase. Me pay for cash with my card. Me not put them for higher purchase. Me not put them for my bag is $180. Me not put it for higher purchase. And my slippers is $40. Me not put it for higher purchase. Me not put it for higher purchase at all. So you have to come better than that. My t-shirt, it was $35. And my jacket over there, so it was $230. Yes, my jacket, right, that's all. See there? My jacket here? Right there. A nice winter jacket. Right, that's all. So you can't talk to me. You can't talk to me. If you can't talk to me, you can't chat to me, not there. The original price of $295. and the sale was 294, me get 30% off with the 40% when me have, and it come down to that. You can't chat to me. See the price here? See the price here? From 295 to sit there. I may get it for 200. See there? You can't see there. Right, so you can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. See there? You can't chat to me. You understand? So no bother with it. So I don't have no time to people who come up here. I don't have no time to come up with scratch record. You gotta come with something better than that 13. You come with your go underneath, then I who no love go underneath. Then you can't done me. I me love go underneath people too. Eh? Eh? Then you can't done me. I me love go under people. Me I get the silver one. When me I go back for the silver one, although the silver one is nice too. You understand? So me ask you a question. You can't talk about me. Eh? You need some of this spray under your blood clot crotch with this. This the whole buckle supposed to done underneath you. The way under your big thing can sour. You cannot cost me. Idiot man go sit down. Yeah, bring up story we're gone from 2 years ago going at 3 years. Eh? You want somebody to spray? You want somebody to spray? Eh? I may also get something from my man too. Cause me a mine man. You want me sure me get from man? Me never go store it and buy something from man yet. But you not go see it. Cause me a mine man. Yes, me a mine man. You must mine good dick. Good dick must get mine. Cause only dick no want him for. Yes, me dear, I'm not work. Him homeless. So if I'm homeless, I may take care of him. I'm homeless. So once you get him good dicky, don't make him man work. You just make him sit down home and him just give him the sweet dicky dicky. Because I dicky dicky. Yes, so me and my man. So good dick man must once you must stay home, you have them control, so you have to go out and get no behind. Yes, no mind him. Because somehow you know, after I deal with back door and front door with no man. That's why we no happy. So by the time they get the phone no crutch, then they dead. Because them a boom bye. You understand? So I don't understand. You can't talk to me. You can't talk to me for my nice little lovely handbag. Look for me nice little lovely handbag. Look here. Look for me nice little lovely handbag. Look very pretty. Look very pretty. So you can't talk to me. This some little beach slippers. Cause me tell you, say me a shop for me vacation. Cause Marcia soon gone. Cause me tell you, say Marcia pack a little suitcase. You never know. Me go about business. And I love my watch. I said, when I saw this watch I put down, I said, I had to get it. And I said, no, sir, I have to get it. When you're blessed, you're blessed. What? Me not have to wear, me not have to see the time. We just want it to bling bling. This is a nice bomber watch. Me not have to know. This is very nice. So if you can't come, and the latest too, come in a silver and gold. And the late, you can't, if you can't afford to buy a watch like this, don't talk to me. $450. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. If you can't afford to buy a watch like this, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't have no time for no. I would look a book where you come in. Don't talk to me. Me no have time for no. I don't have no time for no. No time for no. No time. No time. You see? Go there. You see? Go there. You see? No time. If you can't afford to buy a watch like this, don't talk to me. You understand? Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. So I don't have no time for no. Every day you get up with the same scratch record. Every day you get up with the same scratch record. Scratch record, scratch record. Don't let me take out my black book. I will part time you threaten me with Obia. Me not afraid of you, Obia. Me a Obia woman. Myself. See me go in bed and me dream say I'm by Wednesday morning. And my cousin takes sick Tuesday night. And a Wednesday I saw in a Wednesday and in dead tonight. I know one me see dreams yeah by. Me know say something. See them me just get a phone call 11 o'clock at night say my cousin dead. Yes. You understand? Him did sick for a long time still. On and off. So all of the people them wanna get the news yet from William C. Coco Walk. My cousin Wesley dead. Dead last this tonight, yeah. Yes. My West, all of the family member will listen to me whenever hear the news. Wesley dead. And West, me don't know if you know used to see me got when me if anybody who been watching me for years, you know, anytime I reach a country, and me always I say, Wesley, come cook, come get some coconut jelly. You remember when me anybody who remember when me stop on him every time, me always stop him giving me money and him full up me get me car with my coconut jelly. And this has been going on all my life from him that country. Yes, so in Wesley. Yes, my dear. So Wesley gone. And who is there? Who know my cousin Wesley? When me stop at him, forget coconut jelly every time. And him chop me jelly for me and me drink me jelly them and him. Him pass away. Uh-huh. So you know that go already. Mm-hmm. You know that go already. And stuff already. So you know that go. So may your soul rest in peace. But he was sick for a very long time. I mean, I have kidney problem. So I'm sick for a very long time. Uh-huh. Go take out. Yeah, she said she want to take out the black book for me and she hate me. Me no know whether my people hate me for me tell her say people hate themselves, 13, go and sit down. Come in and ask you. You can't take out no black book for me. If you take out black book for me, me take out my red book for you. And you know why me take out my red book for you? Because you don't have money like me. You don't have money like me. You're poor and you're broke. Me I tell you say you don't have money like me. Me not rich, but me I tell you say you don't have money like me. Me tell you say me dear so this a government give me this. Government a send me go to school and government give me a little change in your bank account. And me I sell me 2 little sheet them. So if you take out your black book, me take out my red one. You don't want if me just want to go on my bed and me see any little discrepancy I go on. Cause me is a ritual woman. Me is a prophet. And when me say that, when me go on my bed, me see things, cause I know say anything me come out here and talk now my mouth to come true. Me not afraid of you and your black book. Me I tell you that. Marcia, you're slimming down. Thank you very much. Yes, the Ozempic, it really do it if you do me not lie. I lost over 13 pounds. I remember saying many things, but what happened? It constipate me. And because and me need if me not eat fruits and vegetables lots, but me try to eat that. You understand? That's the only issue. But you come like you not lose nothing, but you lose it. You will see the fat them a come from different places. Like if you have a fat armpit, you will see that I lose. If your sides them I lose the back of your neck. It find places where the fat them always deposit in weird places. Those are the places go and you will see your belly I get little softy. And between your leg, if you have fat between your leg, you will see that the part that disappear. So the Ozempic work upon an unusual area, and that is very good. Yeah, yes, my dear. So when you know out there a share video, go and look on the video them where she do over Ashanti 360 page. Look on the video them where she do when she was a council woman over Ashanti 360 page. The same bumbo clot something there you come and repeat. My son is a free man and him still alive. Your son blood clot dead. How did your son dead? You could even blood clot bury him. You could tell me no say, if my son dead tomorrow morning, if when fi get money from fi bury me, if I come beg money. If so who you think you're talking to? Me and mama and him have him daddy. And you, me have to come beg money fi bury CJ? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? Me have my life insurance policy where worth too much money.